and welcome in to be our guest. You know, you heard the old word, what goes around comes around. Well, years ago, rugs are real big parts of the house, and they kind of went away. They're coming back. We have Matt McElroy with us today from Georgia Floors Direct.
How you doing?
Matt,
Thanks for having me.
thank you. Glad to have
Yes,
you back,
sir.
buddy.
Yes, sir.
You were here probably a couple of months ago.
Yes, that's
So
right.
time flies, doesn't it?
That's right.
It
Sure does, yeah.
But basically, what we want to let our viewers know is that the rugs are making a comeback, because what's happened is you can put a rug over a carpet, and you
Yes,
can
sir.
put a rug over hardwood.
That's right.
You can put a rug over tile on the floor.
That's right.
So
Yes, sir.
they're a very versatile thing, aren't they?
That's right. Yes, sir. And it also, adds some color to a room,
Mm-hmm.
right? Maybe change it up, something to match some furniture. A lot of people have got family and friends visiting for the holidays.
Mm-hmm.
So we, nothing makes your Christmas tree shine more than a new sisal rug.
Mm-hmm. You know, it's kind of interesting, too, because so many more people, like in their dens and other parts of the house, are starting to put in vinyl plank and to put in hardwood.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Yes,
a
sir.
nice big room of hardwood looks very nice, but it almost becomes overwhelming, doesn't it?
That's right. Yep.
So basically, you can take areas where you have some furniture and put in
Put
an
in
area
a new
rug.
rug. Yes, sir. That's right. And we've got a large selection of in-stock products. We've got patterns. We've got natural fibers. We can cut it down to whatever size you need, whatever size your room calls for. And, we can have it back, pretty quick turnaround time.
Yeah, because one of the things I think is you can take some remnants that you have there and actually turn them into rugs.
Yes, sir.
Because you've got a person that's an expert at that.
Yes, sir.
So
He's been doing it for a long time.
And it looks like it came off, so to speak, came off the shelf.
That's right.
But it's
Yes, sir.
custom made to fit your house.
That's right. Yep.
And those can be, again, like you say, they can be any size.
Any size. We can fit it to your room. We can come out and throw a tape measure down. We've also done some custom cutouts too around some fireplaces. We can come out and give you an estimate on that. Take a look at everything. We can bind on site. So that way we can really get into the
And
intricate details.
And you said a key word there with binding. Binding is very important on the carpet to make sure that it maintains its integrity. And of course, a lot of places where you're buying supposedly a rug, they haven't been done the way you guys do them.
Yes, sir. That's correct.
So you have to look for quality.
Quality. That's right. Yes, sir.
It's a key. And you've got a large selection, don't you?
We do. We sure do. Patterns, natural fibers, regular plush. A lot of people, for dorm rooms, for their children, they'll come just get a plush rug bound on the edges.
And like you said, too, even if you've got carpeting in your house, that rug can go over the carpeting also. Because again, a room full of carpet is a big room, and it can call attention or put focus on an area, can't
That's
it?
right. Yes, sir. And that a rug can add a splash of color in there that makes everything look really nice.
And so if you're looking for rugs, basically if you come into your store, or you can go online and get some kind of an idea of your inventory, but more importantly, you need to come in the store, because how big is that store?
It's huge.
It's huge.
Huge. We've got such a large selection. And that way you can actually put your hand on it. You can feel it. You can see the color with your own eyes versus a digital image, So,
And then you have some samples on some things too, where a person can take it and take it back to their house and just lay it down. See how
That's
it's gonna
right.
work.
See some color in your own lighting. Yes, sir. That's
And then
great.
if you need your people to come and do some measurements, you can measure. Or if you already know the size that you want, just let you know and you're able to put them together.
Absolutely. Yes, sir.
And it's a large selection,
Large.
like
Yes,
we
sir,
said.
it is. Yeah.
Yeah. And it's Georgia Floors Direct. You're located on the Eastern Boulevard,
Yes, sir.
right off of the interstate.
That's right.
You're across from Lowe's. That's the big landmark.
Yep.
And you're open 6 days a week,
Yes, sir.
from 8 in the morning till 5 o'clock in the
That's right.
afternoon.
Yes,
Great
sir.
selection.
Great selection. Monday through Saturday. We're there.
And a great staff of people.
Yes, sir.
Here-
That's right.
Here's one of them. Go in and ask for Matt, because he'll take good care of you. And remember that it's home-owned and operated. Very important in this day and age. They've been in this area for over 50 years. Support your home-owned people, because they're the ones that put their time and money back into your community. And we'll be right back right after this.